What's up, y'all? Welcome to another edition of Smoke in the Bay. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and hope everything went well with family and friends. So let's move towards New Year's and have a cigar. So today, I'm going to be reviewing something from Hawaii. Kauai Cigars. This is a Kui. This cigar is a 4.5 by 43. The wrapper is Ecuadorian Habano. The binder and filler are Hawaii. So let's check out something a little bit different from the normal. So first off, we got a cool looking band they've created. Very nice, very eye-catching, nice and flashy, a little shiny, blue, gold, red, and some white. Let's take a look at the cigar here. We got a nice milk chocolate hue, some oil on it. Little imperfection right there, but that's not a big deal. Very nice and oily, nice and firm, has some sponginess to it. This cigar was gifted to me by Charlie, a member from Ohlone Cigar Lounge. Thank you, brother. Let me check this review out and see what you got. Don't recall the place you told me in Alameda, California, where you can pick these up. But anybody in the Bay Area, you can grab these in a smoke shop in Alameda. As we check out the notes of the wrapper, there's not many veins in this cigar. So we get some rich earth, a hint of cocoa, and a little bit of spice. Take a look at the cap there. Nicely well-made cap. Not too many imperfections, just a touch. But like I said, we will cut that off. Take a look at the foot. It's closed in. It's got a little opening. We got a small minor imperfection right there. It shouldn't hamper us. It's a nicely rolled, well-tight cigar. Not too tight, not loose. Looks like it should hold very well during this smoke. Let's check out the footnotes. A little bit of musk, earth, and a touch of vegetation. So let's go ahead and give it a cut so we can take a dry draw. So we get some earth and some pine, woodsy pine in the dry draw. Very smooth, touch of sweetness. Tastes like this should be an enjoyable cigar. Let's go ahead and light it up. So in the first few puffs, we get some rich, sweet earth, some sea salt, and some wood. Very earthy, touch of saltiness, very smooth on the palate so far. Nice, clean, crisp taste. Very good tasting on the first few puffs. Very mild, not harsh. As we are pushing through the first third of the cigar, we do get a slightly uneven burn. As you see, the ash, nice and gray, dark from the volcanic rich soil of Hawaii. The ash seems a little flaky and a little loose. It's not that firm, but it's still holding well. In this first third notes, I am getting a touch of sage, some earthy pine, and a touch of smooth sweetness, which is real good on the palate. It's sitting nice and smooth. It's not overpowering. It's a nice medium body of smoke, not too heavy. So far, really good. Sits nice on the palate with a nice chocolatey, earthy flavor after each puff. Very pleasant. So far, a very good smoke. Also, in the first third retrohale, we're getting some light seawater, some caramel, touch of spice. Nice combination, very smooth, not overpowering, not too heavy. Light, crisp, medium body smoke. All right, we're getting close to the band, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Here's the band up close. Like I said, very elegant looking, very nice, very eye-catching. Nice colors of blue, red, gold, white. So as we're moving through this second third of the cigar, we get some nice nutty macadamia nuts, a touch of nutmeg, and some smooth white pepper. It's meshing very well. Very good flavor on the palate, not overpowering again. Medium body crisp smoke, smooth and pleasant. Also, you get that rich earth linger on your palate after each puff. On the second third retrohale, we're getting some pine, some solid coffee beans, and some sweet plum. In this final third, we get rich notes of cocoa, some earth, touch of herbs, and some barnyard hay. Still very smooth, very nice linger on the palate. Cigar is burning nice. It's picked up a little bit on the burn. Really good and enjoyable cigar to this point. No problems. The final third, Retrohale, consists of smooth white pepper, some hay, and a touch of spice. Not overpowering, real smooth. So my overall rating for this cigar will be an 88. Very enjoyable, very smooth, never was harsh throughout the whole smoke. It was well constructed, well put together, didn't fall apart on me, even with the uneven burns. Smooth, sweet, and earthy. I guess that volcanic soil did its job in this cigar. The smoke was light and crisp. The cigar never burned hot once. The flavors balanced well and meshed well on the palate. Very smooth through the whole smoke. Very enjoyable. If you can get a hold of these, this would be a great everyday cigar. Something short, smooth, straight to the point for what you want. The look was great. The band was great. Very smooth. Few veins. Nice low oiliness. Very good looking milk chocolate cigars. So I think you should enjoy this. Pick them up if you can find them. Once again, I want to thank you for checking me out. Give your boy a follow, subscribe, like, repost, retweet, and share across all social media, TikTok, Rumble, here on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Let me know what you think. As always, appreciate you checking the video out. Let me know what you think. Give your boy a follow and holla, man. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas once again. Let's push towards the new year. Keep smoking, player. Happy smoke. Peace.